And boom, here we are, boys and girls. All right, there's a gentleman. That house over here, he owns a business in town. And every year, he lights off fireworks. Why go downtown when there's a bunch of people when you can sit out here right on the city limits and kind of have your own free little show? These people in front of us here, they were just lighting off stuff too. These people just let off a couple. It'll get better, for sure. I used to live right around the corner. Last year's show was amazing. So many people cheered, so everybody's trying to rush here right now to get prime parking. I've been here for a half hour, just hanging out. We'll be back once the show starts, boys and girls. So as you can see, the house is over there. But if you look back over here, you can see everybody doing everything. You can hear a whole bunch of fireworks going off everywhere. There's some. Somebody's having some over there. Wait, sounds like a battlefield going off here. It's so hard to catch them all because everything's going off. And we're actually right on the top of a hill. There are some bigger ones that are going off, but yeah. So as you can see over there, sorry about the quality. It kind of gets shitty as I get zoomed in, but there's a major party going on. So that person over there, there's actually a business over there that he owns, quite the big business. There's one. These guys actually did just shoot off a couple. But as you can see, it's going to be all night long, boys and girls. We're all just kind of patiently waiting for them to start. I was kind of thinking they were going to do some more, and oh, I thought I heard a big one go off. All right, peeps, we'll get back to you. What is that thing going on the highway? Must be a crotch rocket. All right, people, we'll get back to you in a minute. Oh, here's some going off. Oh, okay, these people stopped. There's some in the distance. Oh, wait, we gotta turn this down. We don't want copyright. So up here where we are, it's pretty much no limits. We're no holds barred. We're right on the city limits. So sometimes police come and bother. Normally on the 4th of July. There we are. Nice thing about having a moonroof, come right on out. And just think, people, look at this. Very few people over here. We got like 2 people behind us over there. But I'd be willing to bet you, by the time we're done, look at that, nice. By the time we're done, we're gonna have people all lined up down here. There's a whole bunch of people over there. So this guy, he really doesn't give a shit if he gets fined or not. He just does this. Or pays whatever permit fee there is, because every year he does this. Every year he has a party. Every year he's done this for the past several years. Like, dude, you need to turn off those fucking bright lights. So fun little backstory about this house. So there's a park that's down here. So this guy's grandma owns from there all the way down there where there's a road, kind of where those fireworks just went off. And the city wanted to buy this land, and he's like, boom chakalaka, I'm putting my house right there. Now he literally just installed installed his own, woo, installed his own water park, so they had to redo all the main water culverts here for the last 6 months. What do you want? You want this one? You want that one? You want this one? You want that one? You want this one? You want that one? Which one do you want? I don't think I can get back far enough. Ooh, that one looked like that one. Ooh, they're going off too close to the ground. Boom. Nice. Simultaneously. Boom. Why you want to leave? You don't like the show? Oh, okay. Woo! That's a soul shaker there. Kind of thumps at your soul. Whoa! Holy shit, them things are bright. Wow! I could not even imagine being down on the ground with them. Those things are fucking bright. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Wow, them things are bright. Oh, woo! Okay, which one? Which one are we gonna go with? Nope, there's another one. I think this guy over here just waits for these guys to start lighting off shit and then lights off big shit too. Wow, them things are bright. Wow. I could not even imagine being down on the ground when those things go off at a different angle like that. Da, 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 da. Off there in the distance, you can see some going off. Woo! Oh, that one went off ground level there. Oh, shit. I think somebody might have got hurt on that one. Which one? Which one do you want? Here, I'll try to get them both. There you go. Trying to get them both. There we go. Boom. Woo! Let's see if we can get them both. There you go. Jesus, the echo effect from this along with everything else going off in the background. Over there sounds freaking crazy. Sounds like there's a war going on behind us. So one thing nice about driving something like this, you can just pop out of the roof. No, you can't see. Here, wait, let's see if I can. Right. Yeah, see, you can just pop out of the roof, stand on your seat. Pretty. Ooh. Wee. So this road that we're on, a little backstory. This road that we're on, and down a ways down there where that car's pulling out way down there. This is called Krista McCullough Park. Or Krista McCullough? This park used to be out in the sticks. There we are. Boom! And I remember coming out here, you'd come out here with your girlfriend in the late 80s. Late 80s, early 90s, come out to this park with your girlfriend, have a good time out here. And then it just became populated. Can I get them both? I think I might be able to get them both. There we are. Boom. Oh, that one went, oh! That one went off ground level. I think they're having a few misfires over there. Oh, there we are. Boom. Nice, able to get everything all in one shot. Boom! Dun, 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 dun. Oh, the concussion from them are awesome. Woo! Oh, I think someone up there. I don't think that was supposed to happen. Oh, I don't think that big fireball was supposed to happen. I think something went awry there. Oh, fuck yeah, it looks like there's a fire there now. Seriously, it looks like there's a fire there now. There literally looks like there's a fire on the ground. There's a lot of smoke there. I don't think that fireball was supposed to happen. Oh man, I think there might be a fire over there right at the end. I don't think that big fireball was supposed to go off. Holy shit. Alright, boys and girls. There we are. Please like my video and subscribe to my channels. Be safe this 4th of July weekend. Be well, my friends. See ya.